Hello YouTube, welcome back. So today we are gonna discuss about the ROG G15, the Strix G15 laptop. It's a product from ASUS, and you can say that it is kind of a best gaming laptop which is selling right now in the market, which is doing great. And yeah, so recently I have also unboxed the laptop. I'll provide you the link in the I button. Right now you can see that, and once you click on that you can go for the unboxing video. But as of now, in this video I'm gonna discuss something different about the particular product, the ROG Strix G15. So basically this is a kind of video where I'm gonna answer some of the questions and provide my suggestions so that you can look into it. Before we proceed further, let us cover the specs, what exactly it comes with. So now this laptop comes with two variants. One is i5 10th generation processor and the other is i7 10th generation. One which I have is i7 10th generation processor. It costed around 1,15,000 as mentioned earlier, and it comes with i7 10th generation processor, and it has 1 TB of SSD, NVMe SSD, and it comes with 16 GB of RAM. And it also has 4 GB of 1660 Ti graphics card. So this is actually the basic specs which you get in the laptop. And let me tell you, in the box content you will be having a laptop, a charger, a mouse pad, and a gaming mouse, a typical gaming mouse from ASUS. So these are the products you get in the laptop, and those are the specifications which I have mentioned earlier. Now let's proceed further to the questions what I'm actually referring to. So basically, when I have uploaded the video, there were a few questions asked by some of our viewers. I really like that they are interested in the product and they are asking the questions. I have already answered the questions there, but still I want to make a video so that I can give a brief about it. So basically the first question was from Swami Rami Seti. He says, play heavy games on it, then I'll decide to buy or not. So let me tell you guys, actually I was not able to play heavy games on it. The reason was, as I've mentioned, that laptop is of my friend's and he is a bit busy in his business. I'm busy with my work. It's kind of work from home situation, so things are not going that that well planned. So yeah, I'm still gonna say you that I will be bringing up a video where I'm playing heavy games, doing benchmark scores, and pushing the laptop to its limits, and then I'll let you know. But then again, it's like that was not possible as of now. I'm just providing you all the information which like I have got while using the laptop. But the gaming thing, for surely I'll do that, and then you can proceed further for it. And the second question was also kind of similar question from one of our viewers. It is from Matin. He says, good video, can you please provide more videos of this laptop? For surely I can do that, guys, but then again it will be taking a bit of time. As I mentioned, it is not mine, it is one of my friends. He has bought it, so yeah, he is good enough to give me the laptop and we can do that. But still we are unable to manage it. For surely I'll make sure that I'm bringing the video to you. The next is like very informative question, guys. Let me tell you. So basically what happened is, I was really shocked with the pink version of the laptop. I mean the pink color in the laptop. So I was confused, like why exactly ASUS is providing the pink version. But then again, one of our viewers, Rishikesh Barun, said that this is actually a electro pink edition. That's why it is pink in color. And I really thank you, Rishikesh, that you have provided this information. I was not knowing why exactly it was in pink. That's the reason you found me laughing in the video on the pink color. But still, thank you so much for providing me that. The next question is from one of our other viewer. He says that, is it suitable for high-end 4K video editing? So let me tell you guys, it is, yes, actually suitable. You can do 4K video editing in it. I have used DaVinci Resolve in it to do my video and all on the same day itself when I was having the laptop. But then again, it is a kind of really slow process if you're going for 4K. In 1080p itself, it will be consuming a bit of time, but if you're going for 4K, let me tell you, if you are exporting the video in 4K after editing and stuff, in like preferring for DaVinci Resolve results, which I have got, so it took it will be for surely taking more than 30 minutes for just 10 minutes of video, I guess. Yeah, more like it will be taking more than 45 minutes. I have not done it. Once I get the laptop, I'll do it and I'll provide all the information to you. But still, as of now, let me tell you, you can do that. it gets a bit heated. You can still do video editing. It gets a bit heated. If you want, you can add a cooling pad over there. That will be really great option, but then again, still it will be taking like a lot of time. It will be taking around 30 to 45 minutes. So that's not tested, but for sure once I have tested, I'll provide you the whole video information there. One more question asking that under 80K price segment, which one of the performance which one is preferred? So the question is actually under 80K price range, which one should be preferred as a laptop for a long-term usage? Either it should be AMD series or Intel series. So that was actually the question. So it's referring to two laptops here. One is Asus TUF A15 and ROG Strix G. So let me tell you guys, first of all, these both laptops are in great competition as of now. The market is all hell out of these laptops only. These both are like doing really great. But let me tell you, many people are questioning about AMD's lifetime. If it actually does have the lifetime of what exactly Intel gives, or will it be surviving for like almost 4 to 5 years? So let me tell you guys, yes, it will be. And if you are using both of the laptops can do that. You can use both of the laptops. They are very powerful, but in some aspects I see that the Ryzen 7 4000 series is winning a lot. It is performing really great in this price range, and it is actually cheaper than i7 10th generation. So you can go for any of the laptop. They can do great, and also they will provide you a good lifetime of almost 5 years. If you are not a regular gamer, if you are a casual gamer, you do casual gaming, you do video editing and stuff, for sure these two laptops will be lasting you for almost 5 years. But I think if you are using both of these laptops to its end, you are doing heavy end gaming regularly, then yeah, it may take you 2 3 years. Then after that you may visit a service center, or you can do thermal repasting and all. So you can go with it, but still if you're like really heavy gamer, then I would suggest you to go with a cooling pad. These laptops have great ability to cool down and also provide you the perfect performance, but then again if you are doing really heavy gaming, the temperatures will be really high, and this may be leading to problems in the laptop. So it's better you have a cooling pad which keeps the temperatures really low. That will be one of the best option there. And proceeding further, like the lifetime, you can use these laptops for more than 5 years. That's for no doubt, if you are a casual user or a student. But if you are using it for if you are doing heavy end video editing, or if you are doing heavy end gaming on this, then I don't think this will be surviving more than 5 years. So that's how I would like to answer this question, and this answer is for both of the laptops. I'm not in any favor of any of those. The question is, if I can buy the laptop without mouse and the gaming pad, so that it falls under my budget. So let me tell you guys, actually that's not possible, because the gaming pad and mouse are the components which are given to you free from Asus. They are not charging it for the mouse and cooling pad. At least it is not mentioned on the invoice. So you can't remove those and buy the laptop. That's the first thing. So let me tell you, you can do one thing. If you are really tight on the budget, you can check for the i5 variant, or in the i7 variant itself you can check if you have a 8GB model, or if you have any HDD plus SDD model, kind of hybrid thing, if you're getting any of those laptops there. Because see, removing gaming pad and mouse will not reduce the cost at all. So gaming pad would be costing around only 500 rupees, and mouse would be around 1000 to 1200 rupees. That will not make any difference to your budget. So it's better you choose for the SSD to be a bit less and the RAM to be at least 8GB. The variant which I was showing, it was for 16GB RAM, but you can go for the 8GB RAM variant. Later, once you have a proper budget, you can for surely make additions to RAM and SSD, HDD and all. So that should not be a problem. As of now, for your budget, you can check for these options. So moving out to another one. So one of the viewers was asking, what's the sRGB percentage? So let me tell you guys, sRGB percentages are not measured in like a normal way. So if you are looking at the laptops with your normal eyes, you will not be able to make any difference what exactly sRGB the laptop is producing. It is only done with the device. Unfortunately, I don't have it, so I'll not be able to provide you the perfect information what exactly it was. But I would like to tell you that sRGB percentage differ from screen to screen. If you are taking two same laptops and measuring sRGB percentages on them, you might end up getting a really different result. So that's what I'm saying. So sRGBs are not measured in that way. Basically, this comes under color accuracy. So basically, if you are looking at it, the color accuracy is good. Then again, coming up to that point, let me tell you guys, it's not the correct value. As I have told, each and every single unit sRGB will be differing, because sRGB is calculated on a particular screen. So keeping that thing in mind, that sRGB percentage vary from screen to screen. Even if you are looking at two same laptops, still the sRGB percentages will vary for sure. So that's how sRGB works. But let me tell you, upon checking on internet, sRGB percentages what I got is 59.5%. Still, I would not say that's accurate, because I know, as I've told, the sRGB percentages are not actually measured on a particular laptop. It should be done a measurement on each and every single one. So you will be having different results. The results may not vary a lot. The percentages what you are getting on different laptops will not be a huge difference there. Like as I was checking on the internet, I have got the information that it is 59.5%. Might be for your laptop it shows 59.8 or 59.3%. So it stays under that. So there will be a really minor change and minor variation, but still you will be able to see the variation. Let me tell you guys, many of them are searching for the budget laptops. So purchasing a budget laptop still comes under almost like 80,000 rupees. You will be spending almost of 80,000 rupees to get a really high-end budget laptop. But in this case, let me tell you, don't just rush to buy the laptop. Check what exactly you want. If you want to go with a particular laptop which does particular job for you, or if you want to go with a laptop which fits in the budget, sleek, slim, and gives a better battery life, choose from that. And if you're going for the gaming laptop, I would suggest you to wait for a bit of time. In India, we are having Diwali festival now, which is coming up soon. Within a month, or like within 1.5 months, you may have the festival, and there are lots of deals gonna arrive. And also there is information that Acer Nitro 5 as well as the Lenovo Legion, these two laptops are going to come in AMD variant, and the laptops will be priced really aggressively if they are launched in this festival season. So I would suggest you to wait for it. If in case you are not liking the laptop or the specs they are providing with the laptop, like Acer or Lenovo, you can do one thing. You can buy these laptops and with a lesser price, because basically in deals, in festival offers and all, we get the products in a really lesser price. What you can do is let me provide you a normal explanation here. If you have a budget of 80,000 and in the festival season if you are getting the laptop for only 70,000, just imaginary explanation. So the product, if the product is costing 80,000, you are buying it for 70,000 in the offer. The rest 10,000 you can use it for increasing your RAM or SSD storage and everything. So that's how you can go ahead and buy the laptop in a lesser price, but then again increase the performance of the laptop later. So you can do that. So think about it. And that's it for the video as of now. I'll provide you all the other information in the upcoming video, and I'll make sure that I'm making a particular video with the laptop itself by doing all gaming and stuff. So let's see how it goes. And this is what for the video guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Do share the video, subscribe the channel, hit that bell icon so that you will be getting notifications. Do comment in the comment section. I love answering the questions, so please do comment it. Thank you so much for watching. This is Jadhav signing out.